Hey there tech lovers, welcome back to Abdullah Tech Guide. Today we have got something exciting news for all of you action camera lovers out there. The latest edition of the GoPro's flagship series, the Hero 12 Black, has just landed. It might not seem like a massive upgrade from the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but trust me, there are some pro focus enhancements that are worth exploring. Let's dive right in. The Hero 12 Black boosts an incredible 5.3K video resolution, offering 91% more detail than 4K. That's a game changer for capturing those breathtaking moments. Experience greater detail color with HDR video now available in 5.3K and 4K 60 FPS. Enjoy pro level imaging with 10-bit and GP log encoding, which is GoPro log. The Hero 12 Black's empowered power management means you get up to 2x longer continuous recording. Cold weather adventures will also appreciate the Enduro battery. Hypersmooth just got even better. Version 6.0 offers top-notch in-camera video stabilization no matter how rough your adventure gets. Auto Boost adjusts the stabilization based on your speed and movement, ensuring you get the widest shots, and built-in horizon lock feature keep your shots level even 360-degree rotation. For those seeking the ultimate point of view shots, the Hero 12 Black delivers with an industry-leading 177-degree field of view. You will capture the most thrilling moments in stunning 4K 60. Slow motion lovers, get ready to be amazed. The Hero 12 Black lets you shoot at 4K and 2.7K in 4x slow-mo, and even cranks it up to 8K slow-mo at 2.7K. That's some seriously smooth slow-mo action. This camera is built to withstand the element. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and designed to handle the toughest conditions. Adventure seekers, take a note. Say goodbye to water droplets ruining your shots. The Hero 12 Black features a hydrophobic lens cover that repels water, ensuring crystal clear images when you are in the water. Get creative with the vertical capture. In 4K 60, it expands your field of view by up to 48%, perfect for sharing immersive POV content on social media. Connect your Apple AirPods or Bluetooth earbuds for interviews or narration. You can even give voice commands and hear alerts from your camera. Customize your setup with over 50 mounts, modes, and accessories compatible with the Hero 12 Black. There are endless possibilities to explore. So there you have it, the GoPro Hero 12 Black with its Pro Focus upgrades. These enhancements are designed to take your action capturing experience to the next level. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates by subscribing to Abdullah Tech Guide. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.